Hi guys, Ash again from Out and About with Ash. This is take 2. And we're walking from the port to the old town. Did try to do it just a minute ago, but we got sidetracked by some shops. Leanne found some clothes down by the port, so we had to take a break and sort that out. But yeah, I'm Ash from Out and About with Ash. I do short walks in interesting places. I'm in Malaga at the moment. But if you like that sort of thing, hit subscribe and follow us on our journeys. But yeah, we're walking back to the old town now from the port. Let's go. Rubik Cubes building. Good to go.
We are not very good at directions. We haven't got lost yet, so it's quite easy to find a way around.
Yeah, that's quite a good point, to be fair.
But yet, we haven't lost yet.
Yeah. So we're on the way here. We use Google Maps and it's pretty straightforward. On the way back, we thought it's pretty simple. So we're just gonna basically Leanne knows where we're going, so I'm just gonna be following her. And hoping for the best. And she's got try not to get run over. She's got a better track record than me with directions, so we're probably in safe hands. But we'll see. Pretty busy. So we were doing the beach to the old town, but we saw the port and Leanne saw some clothes shops. So this is our second attempt. Or else the first video would have been so long, and you would have all had to sit through my pain of not getting dragged around the shops, but. You know,
I was quite good actually.
You were quite quick.
I was quite quick for one.
But gents, you feel my pain. Lots of people doing probably the same walk.
I have noticed a lot of people with children, so I think it's quite family friendly as well. The beach had play areas and zip wires and places for the children to play, and all the restaurants and that seem to be all child friendly. So
The beach. I think I've never seen a zip line on a beach before. So
and like a big play area.
and big play equipment and stuff. I don't know if that's
and good for buggies.
Yeah.
Not too many steps.
Yeah, true.
You can walk easily everywhere, so I'd say family friendly.
Yeah, that's a good point. I hadn't even really thought about that, but I don't know, it's a bit of a misconception, isn't it? Because you sort of think, oh, would you bring kids on a city break? Because they might not enjoy it, but you know, you should be well catered for, actually. Well, no, like I don't even think about that sort of stuff. And then obviously you do, so. Yeah, I think that's the cathedral. So yeah, mums and dads, if you're thinking about Malaga and bringing the kids and then it might be a nightmare, then think again. You know, it's pretty, it should be alright. I'll tell you what though, these traffic lights are quite long. So we had one earlier, and they have some of them have like a clock or a timer with a countdown until it's going to go green, and I swear this one started at 70 seconds. 70 seconds.
And we were in a rush as usual.
Yeah, and we were
need to go.
We were running late, and I'm sure it was longer than 70 seconds as well. It wasn't ticking every second. Yeah. Yeah. Look, it's all lit up, isn't it? Yeah.
We'll Google it and let you know.
If anyone knows, let us know in the comments under the video. So this is both of our first time visiting Malaga. So we don't know what everything is. We're not giving you a guided tour because we're just finding out for ourselves. But
so far so good. I really like it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's quite quick. So obviously we flew from Stansted and it was like a couple of hours. And the
train. Get basically train to Malaga Central and then to the rest of the coast, you said?
yeah. So you can get not sure what this place is. Maybe
I think it said City Hall.
City Hall. Okay. Looks pretty impressive. I think we crossed further up. But yeah, you can get the train from the airport to Malaga Central, but you can also we've got a wedding, we've got a bride and groom. Wow. See, that's what you get with this channel, as it happens. You never know what's going to happen. Just get a bride walking towards you out of nowhere. Yeah. What, here?
That's right, yeah.
What's this place?
We know the dinner direction.
What? No idea.
It's not too cold now that we've had that walk and it seems to be less windy.
Yeah, here it's less windy, isn't it?
Yeah, it's quite windy by the beach and the harbour.
Yeah. Yeah, sitting outside the restaurant after the flamenco show, the wind, and it was literally, so we went in at 5:30, came out 6:30, just gone 6:30, so we were in there for like an hour. The walk down, we weren't chilly at all, and then we came out, sat outside to finish our sangria, and it was nippy. So, yeah.
Anyone can read Spanish.
Yeah. Translation service. But yeah, so this is just entering, I think, the old town. And I'm just going with, if there's tiled marble effect floor, I think we're in the old town. That's how I'm calling it. Opposed to normal pavement. So yeah, really short walk from the beach and the harbour, the port, into the old town. It's not far.
And we didn't get lost, so it's quite easy.
Yeah, it's quite easy. Yep. So we've got this. Oh, so this is obviously. So this is what's been all lit up. So I don't know if that's the cathedral or not. I don't think it is.
I don't think so, no.
It's like a sort of like a castle, isn't it?
But neither of us have got a glass, so we can't read anything.
Yeah, hang on. Let's just so there's some sort of information on this channel. We're like, this looks good.
There's something here lit up.
Yeah, there's something here that we don't know what it is. Wow, well, look, there's a couple of cats. Entrance. Yeah, and as is normal with me, found a couple of cats. Oh, oh, shit. Okay.
I literally heard you jump.
Oh my god.
Did you try to pet one?
No, I didn't try to pet them. I was literally just walking past, filming, and they obviously don't like being filmed.
So I still went up there, I still don't know.
Okay, so
Either is, but I don't know what.
no, it says entrada,
Yeah.
so entrance, but
So something.
yeah, so we think we're going to go with castle, but I'll probably look on the map. It looks really nice to come and sightsee, but
Maybe.
just look out for the cats.
Maybe in future we'll Google first, but hey, watch out for the cats that attack you.
They're not friendly,
There we go.
and I'm not good.
Hello.
Ah,
Hello there.
ah.
Gibraltar. There you go. It's a castle. Castillo. Yeah.
There we have it.
There we go.
Castle
Gibraltar.
Kilbrafaro.
There we go. We found out it's a castle.
Yes.
protected by cats.
They're doing a good job.
I literally heard you jump
Yeah. Yeah.
and run.
Yeah. Oh. So slipping the odd swear word onto YouTube because the cats did scare the hell out of me, and I love cats. You know, I've got a cat at home, but oh my god, 3 of them, and there was a big hiss and a like a yowl.
There's a tapas that says tapas for $2.50.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so I think yesterday we tried to go to Taberna Alvarez, which is Scotsman in Tenerife, Kevin, recommended this place on his channel as probably one of the only places in Malaga to do €1 tapas.
And it had good reviews.
And it had
Bad food.
it had 4 out of 5 on TripAdvisor on Google. So we wanted to go to it yesterday, and watch the video to see what happens. But yeah, gonna leave it here with this one because we're back in the old town now. So we've walked from the port to the old town. Stopped off at the castle. But yeah, if you like the content, if you want to join the community that we're building, hit like, hit subscribe on the bottom right hand side of you.
Just got beeped.
Oh, I just get beeped as well. This has turned into a nightmare on this one, isn't it? Nearly been attacked by cats, getting beeped.
And then get run over.
Yeah, so yeah, we're going to leave it there. But yeah, if you like it, hit like. If you want to join us, hit subscribe. Join us on the next one.